Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you on the hunt for a new drinking cup? Well, this one is by Drinco. So in my mind, if they name their company Drinco, they know what they're talking about. And I have to say, I think that they do. This is a 22-ounce insulated tumbler, so it will hold your cold beverages cold and your hot hot. Last week we did not have our AC in, and the inside of my house reached about 75 degrees. This kept my water cold for over 14 hours. So it really quenched my thirst when I needed it the most, which is a key factor in an insulated cup. So sometimes I am in the mood for a straw option, which they included along with 2 extra straws. But then sometimes I'm in the mood for the chug option, I'll call it. So they also included that kind of cover as well. So both of these caps are well made, and you can go with whatever kind of option that you are in the mood for that day. I actually like that this cup is slender because it fits in really well with my car or my exercise bike, but at the same time, it's really easy to add a lot of ice inside. So because it has a wide mouth and it holds 22 ounces, you can still get a good amount of water with this cup despite it being a slender size. There are a ton of options when it comes to our insulated beverages these days, but go with a company who would be bold and name their company Drinco. This is a great watering cup. I'm super happy that I came across it, and I'm sure you would be as well. And that's my point of view.